In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your own recipe to the 30-day Quicker Dinners blueprint. You're going to start by going up to the views and choosing Master All Recipes. So basically what we're doing is putting in a brand new recipe. It's a bit of data entry, but this will allow you to add even more great recipes in. So go down to the very bottom of the list, click the plus sign, and then type in the name of the recipe that you would like to add. I'm just adding a recipe from my website that's not already in here. So you can go to the recipe, click jump to recipe. That's going to put you where the actual recipe is. Most sites have this on there now, and it's nice to have the ingredients up in front of you. Now get back onto the blueprint. You're going to add the photo if you have one. So you're going to press that little plus sign. You're going to choose the files you want to select. I'm just doing it from my computer, so I click on the middle. I already have a photo in there, and press upload. And it will upload the photo right into the 30-day Quicker Dinners blueprint. And then you're going to copy the recipe link and paste that in the field where it says recipe link. You'll double click on it, and then you can just paste the link right in there. You'll choose the recipe type. Go ahead and skip date. And then you'll have to add each individual ingredient in. Now, this part's a little cumbersome. It's basically a bunch of data entry, but this is how you're able to get a grocery list set up for every single thing when you need to. So what you'll do is you'll get the first item, you'll put in the name of it, the quantity, so how much, and this needs to be in decimal points, so 1.25 instead of 1 1/4. The quality is if it's a pound, if it's a cup, if it's a teaspoon, an ounce. After that, you'll scroll past recipe, and for prep instructions, you'll write down if there's any instructions like slice, dice, shred, etc. And then you'll scroll down, you'll choose the department that it's located in. From there, I usually scroll back up and make sure everything is how I want it to be, and then you can X out of that. You'll go to that little plus sign again, and you will add the next ingredient, which in this case is dried minced onion. Now, while I input that, I just want to talk to you for a second about putting in ingredients. It can be tempting when you're doing this to save time to go with one of the ingredients that's already in there for another recipe if it's the same one. Unfortunately, if you do that, it's going to kind of screw things up in terms of making the grocery list. So you're going to have to add it again for this recipe, specific to this recipe, if that makes sense. And now I'm going to skip to where I've added all the ingredients so you don't have to watch me do it. So from here, once all the ingredients are in, you'll go to the very next one, which is printable recipe. If you have a printable recipe to attach, you'll press that plus sign and attach it from wherever it is on your computer. If not, that's okay too. That's why having the link in there is nice. You can just go to the link if you need to. And from here, you can go up to the drag and drop meal plan calendar, search out the recipe that you just added. As you'll see, we have 20-minute taco pasta, and I'm just going to assign that a date this week so we can see that it worked. So from here, go ahead, check your grocery list. And you'll note that items on the grocery list are in there from the 20-minute taco pasta. And once you've kind of checked that over, you don't have to check it if you don't want, but I usually do to make sure everything's in correctly. Then I'll check my prep list and make sure the items are on there, which they are. So we're happy to see that. And another place that you can check is within the recipe cards gallery under the recipes table. If you go in there and open up the card, you should see all the information that you put in, all there and ready to go for you to continue using your meal plan with additional recipes. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to subscribe so that you are notified when more videos become available, and make sure you follow The Life Jolie on Instagram as well as my website, www.thelifejolie.com. Have a good day.